Hello everybody, I'm Ben from Nova Music Center, and today we're going to be checking out this beautiful guitar here. It's the Applause Ovation. So this is like a typical Ovation. It's got that composite rounded over back here, just like that. This one has a mahogany neck. It has 23 frets and 17 of those that are fully accessible. This is the 23rd fret down here. Looks like you've got 2 strings you can play there. So a neat little feature of this guitar is how they do the stringing. They don't use pegs to do it. They actually just kind of run it through like a normal electric guitar, which is kind of neat. So the demo is going to be really simple today. I'm just going to plug it in so you can hear its piezo pickup, and then I will mic it up so you can hear it acoustically. Thank you guys so much for checking out the video today. If you liked it, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe if you want to, and if you're ever in the area, come check us out in Old Town Manassas. Alright, have a good one.